guys! So for today's video, actually guys is a long weekend here in UAE kasi nga it's Ramadan. So 1 week silang walang work si Kitty Pie. So hindi kami maka-travel kasi the same as usual. Ang ticket is still costly kasi guys ang magpa-flight ngayon is only Etihad and Emirates. So hindi kami makagala ni Kitty Pie sa ibang lugar. So naisipan na lang namin mag-stay sa Dubai. So mag-stay kami doon guys sa Palacio Versace Hotel Dubai. Yes, so doon kami mag-stay ng 3 days. Actually guys, yung hotel na yan, 3 lang na mayroon dito sa hindi sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo. So first Australia, Macau, and then dito sa Dubai. Yes, so outfit check. So guys, nagpakulot ako ng aking buhok. O diba? Curly hair. With this top from Shein and this one from American Eagle and my shoes from Guess. O diba? So see you there, Dubai. See you in my new home for 3 days. O diba? Wednesday pa yung check out namin dito. Bill 4 o'clock. So this is our room, guys.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
Oh wow! See, this is the first you show. Look at the water. Versace also. Oh my god! This is all for the coffee. Yeah, the cup. This one, the glass, the refrigerator. Only 2 water they're putting the elevator. You have wine glass. Why they don't have wine glass, Kitty Pie? So this is the one inside. This major nice frame with the sofa. Oh my God! Look at our bed. They're Aling KG. Welcome to Palazzo Versace Dubai. So this is our house, guys, for 3 days. Versace on the floor. O, diba? So, nag-plus naka-Versace sila. Oh. Pati yung sofa. Look at this. And this is the their sofa is also Versace. Oh my god, the terrace, look at the terrace, guys. Oh my God. See? Oh my goodness. Hello guys. Grabe ang ganda. Diba? See? Guys, ito yung first na big table. Yeah, and this is the for the dress. See, look at the what's this name, Kitty Pie? Bathtub. Look at guys. Versace in Dubai. Oh my goodness. Where's there for slippers? So guys, look at all for this is Versace. Versace on the floor. Versace on the floor. Now that next day we change another room again. You don't. Next is the another room. Kitty Pie, can you on the? Oh my God! Can you on our light here? So guys, look at. Oh my God! I can bring this one another collection. Another collection, guys. Versace, yeah. I can bring this one. Everything I will bring. Like this bathtub. So guys, the bathtub. This one. Oh my God. Everything is Versace on the floor. You see? Oh my God. Oh, this one. See, guys. Oh my goodness. Everything is Versace in Dubai. Versace on the floor. See guys, look at there. Kitty Pie, look at there. Dental kit. I can bring also this one all.
없어지 낼 띠끼요.
See guys, look at their toothbrush. It's Versace. Oh my God. See? Versace on the floor. I can bring also this one. It's not Versace on the floor. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I see. This is the barcode guys if you order the foods. Still looks so Versace the design. Boss. So this is the design of the ceiling. Just I have it like this in the home. I want to bring this one in the home. Even one pillow of Versace. So guys, pumunta kami sa Dubai and then first time ko pumunta doon kasi dito guys wala silang lunch na available. Only dinner. So, kung nagutom ka, kailangan mo na lang lumabas. Kasi breakfast lang and then, actually breakfast kami, and then dinner. Yes. So, mayroon is a lunch time. We are in the 9th floor. Only 9th floor this one. So, hindi siya it's not too much. Ganito karash ngayon guys at ganito din kainit, diba? Ang dami. Hintay pa kami ng taxi. Yan, the taxi is here. So we are na guys in Dubai Festival City. Actually, this is not my first time. Every time I'm coming here before. But I forgot. Waiting for our food. For today's video guys, i-film kami ni Kitty Pie. Kasi mamaya kakain kami guys sa hotel. No, but
Oh, sorry.
it's okay because after in the dinner, we order nice food. They don't like KFC, guys. Well, KFC is pambansang pagkain ng mga OFW. Ha? After kumain, guys, ito, nag-shopping. Nakabili kami sa Balmain ng polo shirt ni Kitty Pie. O, diba? Ang ganda kasi talaga ng brand sa Balmain, guys. Yes, very, very, worth it yung presyo. Actually, yung Tommy Hilfiger ko na nabili sa Abu Dhabi, kay Kitty Pie din yung polo shirt. Ako nag-ano lang, Shein. Samantalang si Kitty Pie, Tapos dito ako sa Paul Andre. Ang daming sale dito sa Dubai. Unlike sa Abu Dhabi. Dito ang dami. Waiting kay Kitty Pie. Nag-CR pa sa Kitty Pie. Ayun guys, pabalik na kami sa aming hotel. At naka-shopping na naman kami. At naka-take-away na naman ako ng pagkain. Diba? Kasi actually guys, kunti lang naman ang kakainin ko. Pero gusto ko palaging kumakain. Yung may mga ngat-ngat palagi. So this is the taxi. Ha?